In today's video, I'll show you how to leave a Microsoft Family group. If you no longer want to be part of a family group or want to manage your account independently, this video will help you do that. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, you should know this important thing. If you are the organizer of the Microsoft Family group, you can leave by yourself. But before doing that, you must remove all other members from the group. However, if you are a member or a child account, you cannot leave the family group directly. In that case, you need to sign in to the organizer's Microsoft account and remove the child account from there. Here, my account is a child account, so I will show you how to remove it from the family group. First, open any browser and go to Outlook.com. Then sign in with your parent or organizer Microsoft account to continue the process. After logging in, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner, then tap on My Microsoft account. Now scroll down and find the Family option, then tap on it. Here you will see all the members of your family group. From here you can leave, but before you leave, remember, you'll lose shared subscriptions, parental controls, and family benefits. So confirm only if you're sure. Now find your name, click on the 3 dots next to it, and then tap on Remove from Family Group, then again tap on Remove to confirm it. And that's how you can leave a Microsoft Family group easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll try to help you. Thank you for watching.